Hi guys, good evening and welcome to my channel. I'm Vaishali and you're watching my channel Vaishali Official. So guys, I'm here to tell you how to make facial at home with tomato. So guys, it will reduce whitening and it will remove dark spots. So guys, let's start now. Before that guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So guys, let's start our tomato facial. Whitening tomato facial, skin at home gets smoother, clean and spotless. So first step we have to do, take one tomato fruit, cut it into half and then take a turmeric powder, apply the skin into your facial skin like this. This has to apply for your skin 10 minutes like this. Continue up and down circular motion until it and remove the juice of the tomato and keep it for 5 minutes. It will be look like glowing your skin naturally and remove your spot and dark spot and pimple also. 5 minutes or 10 minutes you have to apply your skin like circular motion. Leave it for 5 minutes. Then guys, wash your hand with plain water. Then second step, sugar and lemon. Add a lemon drop, then in the tomato. Apply the skin like this on the anti-lesion skin. So guys, it has to massage for 5 minutes like this up and down. So it will be glow your skin and remove your pores of your skin and all dirts and all it will be removed from your skin. After your massage, keep for 10 minutes and leave it for like this. Then wash your hand with plain water. Better guys, it will be result in 2 or 3 weeks. Then you will be glow your skin, fairness of your skin and natural glowing skin. Thank you guys.